Alright, what's up guys? We're doing another firework demo. We got these HD shells by Big. Let's get this fuse out of the way. We got a lemon. We got blood red silver glitter. 4-inch cans. One in the tube already. We got the Shogun kind of buried. And this one's blood red. We also got a Done Deal by Pyro King, aka Pyro Premium. And then for the grand finale, we got these just in, never shot them before, Crazy Kings. We'll shoot that last. All right. So we got HD shells again by Big. I'm gonna stand back here. This is gonna be hella loud. We got 3 shells going up. Here we go. Blood red HD shells by Big. Shit. Damn, son. Second one is blood red with silver glitter. Nice. Third one is lemon. They'll smack. All right, we got Done Deal by Pyro King. We got Crazy King. Crazy King. Oh shit. Damn. That was hit.